In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Telegram by username. This is one of the easiest ways to connect with people on Telegram without needing their phone number. Whether you're trying to reach a friend, colleague, or content creator, adding someone by username is quick and straightforward. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your device. You can use the desktop app, mobile app, or web version. Once Telegram loads, you'll see your chat list and main interface. Now, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on the search bar to activate it. This is where you'll type the username of the person you want to add. In the search field, type the exact username of the person you're looking for. Telegram usernames usually start with the @ symbol, but you can search with or without it. Make sure you spelled the username correctly, as Telegram usernames are case sensitive in some instances. As you type, Telegram will start showing you matching results. Look through the search results to find the correct person. You'll see their profile picture, display name, and username to help you identify them. Once you've found the right person, click on their profile. This will open a chat window with that user. You can now send them a message directly. Typing a message and hitting send will automatically add them to your contacts, and they'll be able to see your message and respond. And that's it. You've successfully added someone on Telegram by username and can now start messaging them. It's that simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Telegram tutorials and tech tips.